how to add or remove call and text on other device shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. So here click on this pen icon and click on edit. After click on edit, so if you want to remove call and text on other device, so you will see call and other devices here. So if you want to remove, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see click on done and again click on done. You will see call and text on other device shortcut is remove. So if you want to add, so click on this pen icon and click on edit, and you will see call and text device is here, shortcut is here. So click on this shortcut and click on done. You will see call and text on other device shortcut is add on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove call and text on other device shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.